Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner. The Elite Gourmet EDB-302BF Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner is a versatile and efficient solution for cooking in small spaces. Featuring 2 cast iron plates, it provides even and consistent heat for all types of cookware. The dual adjustable temperature controls allow you to customize the heat for each burner, perfect for multitasking in the kitchen. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for dorms, offices, or RVs. The non-slip rubber feet ensure stability, while the durable construction supports heavy pots and pans. The power indicator lights provide safety and ease of use. Its sleek black finish blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor. Easy to clean and maintain, the burners are designed for hassle-free operation. Whether boiling, frying, or simmering, it delivers reliable performance every time. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Elite Gourmet Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner.